Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use VirtualBox. To do that, open your browser and then search for VirtualBox. Then in here, click the official website of VirtualBox, which is virtualbox.org. Now, download and install VirtualBox from the official website. So click the download VirtualBox 7.0 button and then open VirtualBox and click New to create a new virtual machine if you install it on your computer. Follow the wizard to set up the VM, specifying details like name, type, and version of the operating system. Allocate memory to the VM based on your system resources. Create a virtual hard drive or use an existing one. Then adjust additional settings like network, display, and USB as needed. Mount the ISO file of the OS you want to install on the VM. Then start the VM and proceed with the OS installation. Install VirtualBox guest additions for better integration. Then, once installed, run and manage VMs using the VirtualBox interface. Well, VirtualBox allows users to create virtual environments for testing and developing software without affecting their main system. VirtualBox is cross-platform, enabling the running of various operating systems on different host platforms. It helps optimize hardware resources by running multiple virtual machines on a single physical machine. Virtualization provides a way to isolate software and its dependencies, reducing conflicts and potential issues. Virtual machines are valuable for learning and training purposes, enabling users to experiment with different operating systems and configuration. And that's how to use VirtualBox. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.